So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it, and now this will come up. And then once you run this, under computer configuration, you want to expand Windows settings. Now you want to expand security settings. Now you want to expand local policies. Now you want to find user rights assignments. You want to click on this right here, and now this will appear on the right side. And now once you're on this, you want to find allow logon for remote desktop services. You want to find this right here, it should be at the top. You want to double click on this. And then once this comes up, you want to click on add user or group. And now in this box right here, you want to type in remote desktop users. Now you want to click on check names. In my case, I already have it, so that's why it says this name not found. But in your case, it should now underline remote desktop users and then click on OK. Again, in my case, I already have it. I have it right here. That's why it says that. But after you click on OK, you should now be seeing remote desktop users right here in this list. Now, you're going to click on OK again. And now for the next step, you're going to look for deny logon for remote desktop services. It's going to be right here. You're going to double click on this one. Now, once this comes up, if you see anything in this list that says users, you're going to click on users and then click on remove. So just make sure you have nothing in this list and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in gp update space / force. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. It's going to update the policy. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.